All right, here's the latest news break coming in. Will the farmer protest be called off? Well, that is what the deliberations are going on, especially at the Singhu border. After the centre's draft proposal has gone to 5-member committee, a big section are in favour to call off the agitation. The deliberations are underway at the Singhu border. As per sources, farmers' agitation likely to be called off. Now, this is after centre has written to the farmers accepting majority of the demands today. The consensus not built on the draft proposal sent. Discussion still going on. The committee is sharing the draft with the SKM full body in the ongoing meet at the Singhu border. What is interesting, viewers, remains to be seen that the Samyukt Kisan Morcha is there now a split in it, because the Bharatiya Kisan Morcha, which is the BKU, the Bharatiya Kisan Union, of which is the part of Rakesh Tikait and company, are not in favour that the farm agitation be called off. Singhu has been the epicenter of this agitation, and if the SKM today at Singhu border calls off the agitation, one can fairly assume that the farmers' agitation, the full might of it, will be over with that call. I want to connect right now to my colleague Aishwarya, who's joining me live for more. Aishwarya, would you quickly get us up to speed on what we can expect, what's going on? Tell us the latest.
Well, Preeti, I'll start by showing you the visuals. You see all these farmers who are standing right outside this staircase. You know, the shutter is down. The shutter is down because the deliberations are taking place inside. Now, Yogendra Yadav is inside. Darshan Pal, who's the main architect of the protest, he too is inside. There are many farmers who are sitting inside. Deliberations have been taking place for over 5 hours now, Preeti. So this clearly shows how important today's meeting is. From what we are understanding from our sources, there is a likelihood of the farmers calling off the agitation. See, the farmers at the Singhu border are majorly from Punjab. Their main demand, when they were moving from Punjab and coming to Delhi, was for the government to repeal the 3 farm laws. That has been taken care of, and the letter has been written today itself by the centre. They have written a letter to SKM in principle agreeing to all the demands. The press conference will begin very shortly, Preeti, in just about 15 to 20 minutes. But at the moment, very heated discussions taking place inside. Most of the farmers are also inside. The shutter is down. It's been manned by so many farmers and many young boys, because they don't want anyone to be going inside. A lot of farmers who were sitting on the roads wanted to come inside, take part in the deliberation. That did not happen. In just 15-20 minutes, Preeti, we will understand which side the farmer protest will go.
Aishwarya, what's the basic consensus on ground? What is it that you're picking up? Especially the people who've been sitting there squatting for over a year protesting, are they in favour that the agitation be called off? And especially where the Singhu border is concerned, they are not as keen where the issue of MSP is. They are more keen that the cases against the farmers be taken back. The tractors that were taken in during the 26th January, with what went down, which are all right now in the custody of the police, those be given back, their machinery be given back, and compensation be given to the dead farmers. They are not as keen, at least the ones at Singhu border and the unions that are holding the Singhu border are not as keen on the MSP, because most Punjab farmers are actually bank on the MSPs of 2 products, which are wheat and paddy, which they are already getting.
Yes, Preeti, you're absolutely right. One of the major demands for those farmers, especially the ones who came from Punjab and are sitting on Singhu border, their major demand obviously was that the government should repeal the 3 farm laws. Apart from that, the other big issue which they have is to build a memorial for those 700 farmers who lost their lives during the course of the past 1 year when the protest was taking place. They're also saying the number of cases which have been filed against the farmers in Punjab, those cases need to be taken back. They've also touched upon the issue of stubble burning, which happens every year. So for these farmers, these are the main issues. And from what we are understanding, Preeti, the government in principle has agreed to all these demands, which is why we are seeing these deliberations taking place. Let me tell you, there are 40 farmer unions which come under the SKM, which is the Samyukt Kisan Morcha. And out of those, 32 have been, over the past few days, they have been in favor of calling off the demand. So we are seeing a majority here, especially those who have been sitting here. See, Preeti, They came last winters. Last winters was one of Delhi's harshest winters. They sat through the scorching heat. They sat through the monsoon season. So all of them too are now a little bit tired because they have got what they wanted to. For what they came from. They have got it. The government has repealed it. On 29th November too, everyone was keenly watching what was happening in the parliament. That too has been taken care of. The 3 farm laws on the floor of the parliament have been repealed. So for these farmers, they think it is high time that they go back. They now believe what the government is saying. However, deliberations, as you can see, Preeti, are still taking place. No one is being allowed to go inside. Young boys standing here, making sure no one disturbs the deliberations, which have been going on for more than 5 hours now. Preeti, we are understanding there is a likelihood that the farmers here, at least at the Singhu border, will call off the agitation today.
All right, so, I just want to give our viewers a little bit of perspective. If the farmers at the Singhu border call off the agitation, what does it actually mean for the agitation? The epicenter of the farmers' agitation has been the epicenter of it all, which is Singhu, which is held by most Punjab unions, which form a majority of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha. Now, the other faction, which is part of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, which is the Bharatiya Kisan Union, headed by the likes of Rakesh Tikait, are clearly not in favor. The reason which you don't see Rakesh Tikait in that particular meeting right now. Having said that, Yogendra Yadav, which also represents a faction of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, is also in the meeting. He has not been in the favor. So he is of the opinion that MSP needs to be the letter of law, and only then can this agitation back off, because a year has gone in bolstering the kind of support for it. And it would be foolhardy is what one section of the farmers, including the likes of Yogendra Yadav, feel that it will be foolhardy to give up right now, because ultimately, you've built up this entire force for about a year. Use it to get MSP converted into a law and then back off. On the other hand, there are the likes of Rakesh Tikait of the Bharatiya Kisan Union, where they feel, that one needs to go ahead till the time MSP becomes law. There is an ulterior motive which many attach to the Rakesh Tikait faction, and that deals with what is happening right now in Uttar Pradesh elections. Is it all politically motivated? But net, Rakesh Tikait and company not in favor of taking back the agitation until and unless MSP becomes law. A huge chunk of the Punjab associations, the farmer unions, want this agitation to come to an end. Mind you, viewers, it's been an agitation for them where they've, sat through the Singhu border, come hail, come sun, come winters, and this was going to be a very tough winter. They've spent one there. They understand, what goes down to actually hold an agitation together. One of their main demands till now, at least the Punjab Kisan unions, has been, number one, that all cases be taken back against them, especially the one which were lodged on 26 January. Number two, all their equipment, including tractors, which were taken in by the Delhi police during 26 January, be released back. Number three, compensation be given to the dead farmers. They say there have been over 700 farmers. MSP for the Samyukt Kisan Morcha coming in from the unions coming in from Punjab, they are not as keen on it because they are already getting their MSP on two products. Punjab takes a chunk of the MSP procurement in the country, which is of wheat and paddy, so they are not as keen on it. But there is this other faction, which is the Rakesh Tikait faction, which feels that till the time MSP is law, which represents the Uttar Pradesh farmers, that one should go ahead and keep the agitation going. Now, there is an election as well in 5 states, especially with an eye on Uttar Pradesh elections. The government wants to make sure that, this standoff comes, which has now come to a boil clearly, is taken off the fire, the agitation is called off, and everyone can focus on the elections in states like Uttar Pradesh. The unions coming in from UP wants to keep the pot burning. One can safely say that there is a divide right now where the farmers are concerned in terms of unions. I'm going to cut across to Aishwarya again, but let's quickly keep listening into all the reactions that are coming in.
मुआवजा पंजाब मॉडल सभी को मिलेगा। सभी खत्म हो गए, सभी खत्म हो गए, सभी खत्म हो गए।
आंदोलन खत्म हो गया?
नो,
कब खत्म होगा?
कल अनाउंस करेंगे, कल।
सबसे पहले जो आपने ये आंदोलन के दौरान देश भर में किसानों के ऊपर जो उल्टे सीधे केस आपने लगा दिए, कोई देशद्रोही का, कोई आतंकवादी का, पता नहीं क्या कुछ लगा दिया, तो वो तो जायज मुद्दे पे वो लड़ रहे थे। अब आपने वो मान लिया कि वो मुद्दा जायज था और आपने वापस लिया, तो ये केस भी वापस होने चाहिए। और दूसरी बात, जैसे ये एमएसपी की मैंने बात करी है, सो राहुल गांधी से तो मेरा यही आग्रह है कि पहले आप जरा जो कहनी और कथनी को तो एक कर लीजिए। जिस राज्य में ये सारी ये इश्यूज हैं उधर तो दूर कर लीजिए। उधर तो किसानों का आपने सारा कर्जा माफ करने का 2017 के आपका मैनिफेस्टो है जिसको आपने रिलीज किया था। एक किसान नहीं है जिसका सारा कर्जा माफ हो गया, तो इधर किस मुंह से आप बोलते हैं? यहाँ पे राजनीति खेल रहे हैं।
All right, let's continue to get the very latest for our viewers. I want to cut across back to my colleague Aishwarya, who's joining us for a little more. But let's quickly cut across to Sardar R.P. Singh from the Bharatiya Janata Party, who's on the phone line with me. Sardar R.P. Singh, the government would want, this announcement to be made very quickly from the Singhu border, that this agitation be called off. But would you, give us a larger understanding? What is the proposal that has been, the written proposal that has been sent by the government to the Singhu border, to these farm unions? What all does it include?
Well, 3 bills have been withdrawn in the parliament now. The stubble burning cases have been withdrawn. The other cases have been taken by the respective state government, because the majority of the cases were in Haryana. So they have got some put on the state government on the cases also. So, and then as far as MSP goes, the government is already assured of forming a committee where 5 farmers leaders will be there, along with the state government representative plus the experts will sit and then decide on it. And whatever they decide will be accepted by the central government.
All right. Especially the unions, Sardar R.P. Singh, at the Singhu border are very keen, of course, other than the fact that all the cases against them be taken off, their machinery be given back, including tractors, which were confiscated during 26 January last year. For this year, I want to ask you, Sardar R.P. Singh, the other big sticking factor for them has been compensation to dead farmers, which they say goes beyond 700. The government in Parliament has said that's not going to happen. Is there a renege on that?
Well, the respective state government has to work on those farmers' deaths also. And because there is no concrete list in the center as for the farmers who died during the agitation. But other than that, there are almost more than 1,500 plus cases of people who committed suicide in 4.5 years in Punjab. The farmers who committed suicide in 4.5 years in Punjab. Is Congress giving any compensation to those almost 1,600 farmers in Punjab? No. So they can raise their questions, they can raise their voice, but also be sorted out. This issue can be sorted out, provided they accept all other issues.
All right. Now, there is a certain faction, especially Sardar R.P. Singh, like the Bharatiya Kisan Union, represented by the likes of Rakesh Tikait, which is not a part of this meeting, which is still sticking to the fact of MSP be turned into law. All right, we seem to have lost Sardar R.P. Singh. We're going to connect to him later. But let's try and get a larger understanding from Aishwarya, my colleague who's right now at the Singhu border. Aishwarya, is there anybody representing the Bharatiya Kisan Union there in terms of the Rakesh Tikait faction?
Well, no one from Rakesh Tikait's faction. Rakesh Tikait was a name which was doing rounds even for the 5-member committee, but his name was not there. However, we do understand Yogendra Yadav. He has been inside since 11 in the morning. Darshan Pal, one of other very key important members of the SKM, and many people say he's the architect of the entire protest. He too is inside. So the hectic deliberations taking place now. Just in a couple of minutes, we will see most of the farmers coming out and addressing the media. All those things have already been put in place. We'll just speak with a couple of farmers who are standing here, Preeti, to understand what they feel about the entire protest and how they are seeing these deliberations which are taking place अभी अंदर डेलिब्रेशन चल रहा है, तो आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि अभी जो बाहर आएंगे तो क्या आंदोलन खत्म होने की बात की जाएगी?
ये तो वही दस सकते हैं, हम तो कोई न्यूज से पहले बोल सकते हैं, उनका अधिकार क्षेत्र है, वही बात बताएंगे।
तो एसकेएम का जो डिसीजन होगा फाइनल डिसीजन होगा?
हाँ बिल्कुल, वही फाइनल डिसीजन है हमारी।
हाँ, जो एसकेएम का डिसीजन होगा वही फाइनल होगा,
वही final
और कोई नहीं बता सकता वो जो उनका डिसीजन।
So the farmers here putting all the onus on the SKM, which is the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. If the SKM decides,
Okay.
if after the meeting, they come
Aishwarya,
out
will you
say
try
that
and
the
speak to the
agitation will
farmers
be called
behind
off
you?
from today, most of
Aishwarya,
the
will you
farmers
try and
will
speak to the
move
farmers
on.
behind you and ask them if MSP is not a guarantee which the government takes to turn into law, however, agrees to take back the cases against the farmers and give back the tractors, you know, which were confiscated during 26 January. But MSP still is not going to be a law, there might be a committee. Are the farmers okay to go back or they still want MSP?
अगर सरकार कहती है कि आप लोगों के जो ट्रैक्टर्स वगैरह जो 26 जनवरी को जब्त किए गए थे वो वापस नहीं मिलते हैं, तो भी क्या आप लोग एजिटेशन खत्म करना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, वो तो हमारा मुकदमे का पहला शर्त ये है, अभी हमारे जो ऊपर मुकदमे इस आंदोलन के दरमियान बने हैं वो सभी के सभी रिपील हो, और उसके अलावा जो हमारा जो संपत्ति जब्त की गई है वो वापस दी जाए, और जो कंपनसेशन है वो की जाए।
तो अगर एमएसपी की बात अगर करें, अगर एमएसपी पे सरकार कहती है कि कमेटी बनाएंगे, तो क्या आप लोग मानेंगे उसको?
हाँ, ये हमारे मानने की बात है कि 11 दौर की जो बातचीत हम हुई थी सरकार की, साथ उसमें भी ये बात आई थी, और उस वेले भी ये बात चली थी भी ये, क्योंकि हम भी समझते हैं भी इतनी खेती, क्योंकि एक लॉ इम्प्लीमेंट करना पूरे देश के लिए, खेती बाड़ी के लिए, इसके लिए उसकी तो संभावना है भी कमेटी पे सहमति बनेगी।
ठीक है, अगर कमेटी बनती है, सरकार कहती है कमेटी बनती है, एसकेएम उसका पार्ट होता है, तो आप लोग उस पर सहमति?
बिल्कुल, उसकी टर्म एंड कंडीशन के बारे में हमको बताया जाना चाहिए कि वो कमेटी कितने मेंबरों की होगी, किसान कितने प्रतिनिधि होंगे, कितने चेयर में रिपोर्ट देगी, कितने चेयर में सरकार टेबल पे लेके पार्लियामेंट में आएगी।
आपको भी क्या ऐसा लगता है कि अब अगर एसकेएम का जो डिसीजन होगा फाइनल डिसीजन होगा?
जी, हम एसकेएम के साथ है, जो भी डिसीजन आया हमारे नेताओं का हम उनके बिल्कुल सहमत होंगे।
और एमएसपी पे अगर कमेटी बनेगी तो आप लोगों को वो मंजूर होगा?
जी मंजूर होगा, पर उसका शॉर्ट टाइम होना चाहिए, ये नहीं कमेटी बने और 2-2 साल तक उसका कोई जवाब ही ना हो। वो महीने 15 दिन में 20 दिन में अगर कमेटी अगर फैसला करती है तो हम उससे बिल्कुल सहमत होंगे।
So definitely, Preeti, we are seeing the farmers also softening their stand, all of them agreeing to a majority of what the centre has to say. Even if the government proposes a committee, the farmers here are okay with it.
That's the biggest takeaway of all of this, because this is the first time, viewers, that we have seen farmers actually say that, okay, we can renegotiate on the make MSP a guarantee or a law clause. They are saying that they're okay with the committee right now. They've never been okay with the committee right now. However, is the mood different at the Ghazipur border, which borders Uttar Pradesh, and that is where the Tikait faction is still sitting. Because at the Singhu border, the mood seems to be, you meet these number of demands. We are not, sticking our foot where MSP is concerned. We are not digging in our heels there. So there is a split in the farm faction. Which way it goes? Very soon, there's going to be a press conference. Stay with us.